Hello everyone and welcome back to channel. Today we have an exciting video for you. We are going to show you how you can download CapCut, a video editing app, even if it's not available on the Play Store. So let's get started. First open your web browser. Now here search CapCut APK. Now open apkpure.com website. This one is trusted one. Make sure you only download from the trusted sources. Wait for it to open. Sometimes this website doesn't work, so you have to use VPN for it. So let me just connect to VPN. Now again open it. Now click on download APK. And click here download APK 222 MB1, and then just click on cross and click on download anyway. And that's it. This is how you can download CapCut. Thank you.